Hey everyone, Josh Wally, Douglas Elliman Real Estate, and I'm here today to talk to you about interest rates and why that's really important to you, and really, try to wrap your head around the impact of rising interest rates. So what I did was I put together a scenario to purchase the same cute little house at yesterday's interest rates, and then again at today's interest rates, and how that affects you as a seller or maybe as a purchaser, how that will feel different than just a few months ago. So the first thing, to give you some context, what's important is to understand that when most folks purchase, we're living in the payment, not the overall price, right? And so your payment is made up of a couple different pieces: principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. We call that PITI, right? So I did two different scenarios, same property. So your your insurance and taxes will stay the same. But we talked about 3.5% interest rate and a 5% interest rate, and how that impacts purchase price. So on this one, we kept a monthly payment of $27.25, approximately thereof, which is a fairly affordable payment, right? So at yesterday's interest rate of 3.5%, if we break this down, if we put no money down, right, to stay in a $27.25 payment with $400 a month in taxes and $150 a month in homeowners insurance, that $27.25 payment will get us about $475,000 worth of purchase price. Fairly decent. Well, when we make a small change and we adjust that interest rate to 5.5%, which is approximately what it is today at the time of this video, that same $27.25 payment with taxes and insurance remaining exactly the same, it's only getting us a $375,000 purchase price. So it's a huge difference. It's a $100,000 swing in just a few months. So if, as a purchaser, that house is going to feel significantly more expensive. If you want to keep your payment the same, you're not going to be able to purchase as much home. Flip side for your seller, right? That house that sold, 2 months ago, went into contract 2 months prior to that, that buyer, their monthly payment was significantly different than the buyer who's looking at your house today. So if you want to understand what this means for you and your particular property, because based on your sale price and the method of purchase, this shift in interest rates is going to mean a little bit different for you. So if you want to know a little bit more, you can either DM me, contact me, but I'm happy to go over this in detail for you. But thanks for tuning in and watching. Appreciate it.